It is never a surprise when one Windows update introduces bug fixes while simultaneously breaking something else. This time it involves the Task Manager, and here is the update in question. The bug I'm about to show you is very easy to reproduce. First, let me show you how many instances of Task Manager are running right now. As you can see, there is just one instance of Task Manager running. But watch what happens when I close Task Manager and reopen it. Now there are two instances of Task Manager. Watch again what happens when I close it and reopen it yet again. Now there are three instances of Task Manager. So the more you open Task Manager and close it, the more the processes get duplicated. So this leads to a significant resource hog. You can see the CPU usage of Task Manager right now. Task Manager periodically polls your system to monitor resource usage and performance stats. So you can imagine what happens when you have multiple instances of Task Manager running, like 10 instances of Task Manager running. It becomes a significant resource hog. So to fix this problem, when you realize you have multiple instances of Task Manager running, you can just end the background processes. That's it. But remember, when you close and reopen it, another instance of the process will be spun up again. As you can see. So if you have to use the Task Manager frequently, I will advise you not to close it. Just leave it open, so you can get into it whenever you want. And that's it. That's how you fix the bug. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.